Marcangelo Catuengcielo, known as Bonoy, was born on May 12, 1988, in Butuan, Agusan del Norte, Philippines. He and his family moved to Baco, Mountain Province in 2001. A student at San Isidro, raised in a Roman Catholic environment, embraced his indigenous roots and fluency in various languages, reunited with his father and expressed love. Marcangelo, a freshman at St. Louis University, auditioned for Starstruck, becoming the first Igorot to win 10 million pesos, an exclusive GMA talent management contract, and a house and lot in Antipolo, Rizal. Cielo, 20, was found unconscious on December 7, 2008, by his mother. The night before, he was last seen playing an online video game up until 10 p.m. in an internet cafe in Quezon City. Cielo was said to have made several unanswered calls to his manager mentor. When he arrived home, he had a discussion with his mother about something personal. The next morning, his mother entered his room in their house in Antipolo at around 6 a.m. to wake him up for a charity event. When he did not respond, she immediately rushed him to the nearby Antipolo Doctors Hospital, where he was declared dead on arrival. Cielo's cause of death remains unclear.
Ayos oh. Mamamalengke lang yan ha. Sosyal na sosyal forma. Sabihin mo, di mo lang malapitan yan. Kasi torpe ka. Kung magsalita ito, akala mo, dami ng alam. Bantayan mo yung papay.
Huwag kang mag-alala. Yung iyo si Ami. Hindi siya ang tipo ko. Saan mo ba gusto mag-celebrate tayo? May mga DVDs ako nahiram kay Sari. Yun lang panoorin ko.
Ses, minsan naman, kay Richard, ang gulo.
Kung papasukin, yung dalawa kanina pinapasok niya, ano bang kay Clan?
Ko na rin po. Basta, yung sinabi niyong handa sa linggo
Tit dahil sa mga perang ibinibigay sa kanya ng mga nagpapahula sa kanya.
Gen Rockstar, lock and load.
I should fuck her in the Benz.